Zaffar from the Zaffar tutorial. So today I am come with a lesson number 1, that is present tense. What is present simple tense? Today I will define the usage of present simple tense and the formation of present simple tense and the definition of present simple tense. So you don't have to skip this video if you want to understand the present tense whole. So before going to definition, I want to tell you the usage of present simple tense, why we use the present simple tense. The first usage, thought and feelings. We usually use the present simple tense for the thoughts and feelings, as I have written here. I think so, this is the thought. I like it, this is also feeling. So number second point is state. What is state? State is a fact and things that are true for the long time, that we call the state. So this is the state. We also use the present tense for the state. Number third point is repeated action. We also use the present simple tense for the repeated actions. Means when we do the same work for the again and again, that we call the repeated action. We come here every week. This is the repeated week. Means we come in any place in every day or in every week. This is repeated action. And also we use present simple tense in a phrase like I promise, I agree, etc. Also we use present simple tense as a phrase. So the formation, now the most important thing, what is the formation of present simple tense? So there are the 4 forms of present simple tense, that is number 1 is affirmative, number 2 is negative, number 3 is interrogative, number 4 is interrogative negative. So affirmative or positive sentence are those sentences which give the simple statement that we call the affirmative or positive sentence. The formation is subject, verb, object is for the affirmative sentence. So here the subject is most children like ice cream. Verb is here the like, and ice cream is object. Number second is negative. Negative sentence are those in which we say no. And this is the formation, subject, helping verb, not plus main verb plus object. This is the formation. So I don't like football. This is I is a subject, helping verb for the present is do or does. So do not like is a main verb, football is an object. So number third form of the present simple is interrogative sentence. For formation is helping verb, subject, main verb, object. Do you like cricket? Do is a helping verb, subject is you, and main verb is like, and cricket is your object. Interrogative negative, the fourth form of the present simple is helping verb, subject, not, main verb, object. This is the formation for interrogative negative sentence in the present simple tense. So I write here the sentence does she. Does is a helping verb, she is a subject, not here the not, main verb is like mango. Does she now like mango? This is the interrogative negative sentence. So these are the forms or formation of the present simple tense. Now I come to the definition. Why we use the present simple tense? So we use the present simple tense that shows the present time. So present simple tense usually show the present times. The present simple tense is the mostly commonly used form in English. The present, sorry, here is missing. Present simple is the mostly commonly used verb in English. So when we speak, or usually when we go, or when we speak, we use mostly the present simple tense. Note, this is the important point you have to note it in your mind, that we use s or es in the present tense with singular noun and third person pronoun. He, she, it are a singular noun. Ali, Ahmad. We use with them SRES. So you have to note or keep in mind this point. So this is the information about all about the present tense. So if you like this lecture, then must subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.